Besties, welcome to my YouTube channel Kama Kawa Kama Da. If you hear some background voices on my neighbors and out of control about that, I hope so mtanisikia fiti. On today's video, as it suggests, I'll be taking you on a my one bedroom house tour, and I just want you to see how it looks before maybe I do some changes or even think of moving to a spacious house. Kwa sababu the bad thing about this house is that unajua every house has got advantage and the disadvantage. Okay, the disadvantage of this place is that iko ground floor, so there is cold. Sijaika ground floor, plus kuna network haishiki fiti. And then what else? It doesn't have a balcony, meaning kwa sababu takataka inaokotwa once or twice in a week, not in a month. So hiyo vundo it's kinda not si fiti sana, but ukikuwa na kabucket alafu kifunikio, you just jua napea ako anapea na hiyo pipa unaeka huko ndani na inaacha kunuka. And the advantage about it is it's spacious well, although this one is the smallest kwa sababu zote zilikuwa zimeja when I came in, kwa sababu maji it's throughout na ni ya kanjo, plus tena security iko fiti and it's a clean house, plus there are CCTVs around the area. So nika decide let me just get in. Definitely hakutakosa mtu mmoja ama wawili within 1 month atakuwa amehama, so akihama I just move in. Nika notice wengi wenye wanahama ni wenye wako 2 bedroom 1 bedroom, kwa sababu ni kidogo unapata hawahami. I'm in real ile kitu ya hata sitaki kugongelea anything on the wall, kwa sababu I feel like I will just move into a 2 bedroom house around this area, kwa sababu the caretaker told me kuna mtu anahama 2 bedroom this month, a month ikiisha end of this month. So I was thinking of I'll just move into that house. Lighting pia, okay, here yes kuna lighting but si venye nataka. As a content creator you need a lot of good light. Yeah, that's it. About zingine I have sina ubaya nayo. I really like this house na sikuwa nataka kuanza kutafuta nyumba ingine kwa sababu I'm in love with this house. So besties, if you haven't subscribed, kindly do hit that subscribe button, comment, share and leave a sweet message for me. If you're returning subscribee, thank you very much for always returning back and watching my videos. Kudos for that. And let me just show you without wasting a lot of time and see how the house looks like. Hopefully you're going to enjoy this video. Let me say